Hi boys and girls. Okay, today we're going to be painting our circles inspired by Vasily Kandinsky. So we're going to just start by folding our paper in half. Then I want you to fold it in half again. And then we're going to fold it one more time. So how many times did I fold the paper? Ooh, this last one is kind of hard. Okay, I folded it 3 times. So I want you to make sure you folded it 3 times. And here's a way that you can check. When you open this up, you should have 8 rectangles. Okay, so do you see how I have 8? If you count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you don't have 8, you need to probably fold it one more time because you probably didn't do it the right number of times. And then to get us started, we are going to be using the quick sticks. Okay, or whatever they're called at whatever building. I think one building they're called something else. But these are temper paint sticks. They're the same as this, but they're in a stick form, kind of like little glue sticks. So we're going to start ourselves off with a center circle. So make a small circle in the middle. Maybe I'm going to do 2 of them with this color. Actually, I think I'll do a big one here. You're going to do some circles. Don't do it all full of this because we're going to paint in there too, okay? But take the sticks, give yourself like a dot in the center or maybe a big circle, and then we're going to paint other circles inside there. I think I'm going to put a pink dot in here and maybe a medium dot there, okay? I'm going to do a big green and a little green. Now I've got 2 circles in every single square. And then to keep this from going everywhere, we're going to use, oh, I don't have the white ones here. Hold on, let me pause this. Okay, so we'll have to share these at the table because I only found about 2 per table. So, but you're going to use the white, the white quick stick to go along your fold lines to keep the colors from bleeding into the other ones. So just right on your fold line, you're going to do the white. Probably should do the white first so we don't get it into the other colors, right? There we go. And then hand that to the next person so everybody can do their lines, okay? Now I'm ready to paint. And painting is fun. We're going to be painting in concentric circles. So you're going to pick whatever color you want to paint with and start painting circles. And you could start in the center, like I'm going to do with this one. Or you could start with a bigger circle. But what I want you to be sure and do is move around, okay? So I'm going to let that dry a little bit and jump way over here, okay? So work from circle to circle, okay? Try to stay, I probably should have used, that was pretty close to that pink, wasn't it? All right, I think I'm going to do blue. So I want you to just go wherever you can see a different color. Ooh, now I went over that paint stick and I can't really see it very good. I wish I hadn't done that. I probably need to get a smaller brush here. I'm going to switch brushes just a minute. Okay, I'm back. You probably want a round brush that comes to a point because then you can do big or small circles. All right, I'm going to try again here. Okay, boys and girls, when you are done, check to see that you didn't miss anything. Like this one actually looks like I need a little more yellow in there, so I'm going to just put a little bit of yellow right around. And then you're going to put this on the drying rack if everything looks good to you. If you got it all painted in. And then clean up your space. Remember, your brushes go in the sink, dump and rinse your water dish, put this back where it belongs, put your messy mat away. Okay?